Hello friends, welcome back in Learn Verbs in English Urdu with sentences starting from the alphabet Q to S. So let's start our video with this first word, that is qualify. काबिल होना या मेयार पर पूरा उतरना. He is qualified as an English teacher. Quit छोड़ना. She quit smoking. React रद्द अमल करना. उस्मान reacted appropriately. Read पढ़ना. I do not read the book in the early morning. Realize एहसास करना या महसूस करना या साफ साफ समझ लेना. I did not realize we were late. Recall वापस बुलाना या याद करना. I do not recall my past. Receive हासिल करना. We received a warm welcome. Recollect बाजियाफ्त करना या याद करना. I recollect seeing Ryder some years ago. Recommend सिफारिश करना. I would never recommend using a sunbed on a regular basis. Reduce कम करना या घटाना. I think we should reduce the price. Refer हवाला देना. I often refer to the dictionary. Reflect गौर करना या अक्स डालना. She reflected on what she had done. Refuse इनकार करना. She refused to answer simple questions. Regret अफसोस करना या पछतावा करना. I regret leaving my college study. Relate मुताल्लिक होना या बयान करना. She is related to him by marriage. Relax आराम करना. We are supposed to relax. Relieve फारिग करना या कमी करना या दूर करना. I was relieved from pain. Rely भरोसा करना. We can certainly rely on him. Remain रहना या बचा कुचा होना या बकाया. He remained rich all his life. Remember याद रखना. He had remembered to bring a pair of gloves unlike me. Remind याद दिलाना. It reminds me of the good old days. Repair मरम्मत करना. He repaired his watch by himself. Replace एक जगह से दूसरी जगह रखना या तब्दील करना. The car replaced this bicycle. Represent नुमाइंदगी करना. He represented the labor union on the committee. Require ज़रूरत होना या मांगना. This task requires dexterity. Resent नाराज़गी होना या नापसंद करना. Many officers resent having to do their service. Resist मज़ाहमत करना. She can never resist buying new shoes. Retain बरकरार रखना. We had to retain a lawyer. Retire किनारा कश होना. I have decided to retire. rid छुटकारा पाना या पीछा छुड़ाना, we have got to get rid of it. ride सवारी करना या सवार होना, life is a horse and either you ride it or it rides you. ring घंटी बजाना, the phone is ringing. rise तुलू होना या उठाना, the sun is about to rise. risk खतरा लेना या जोखिम लेना, he risked being caught. roast भूनना, he is roasting coffee beans. run भागना, do not run too fast after gain. sanction मंजूरी देना, they will not sanction copying without permission. satisfy मुतमईन करना, he satisfied his thirst with a large glass of water. say कहना, no one says that. scrub खुरचना या रगड़ कर साफ करना, you asked her to scrub the toilet. see देखना, do you see that bird? seem लग रहा है या लगना, I always seem to be lucky at lottery. sell बेचना, I can't sell you that. send भेजना, they are sending help. serve खिदमत करना, they serve good food in the cafeteria. set जमाना, I am going to set the table. settle आबाद करना या बसाना या हल करना, the problem is not settled yet. Thanks for watching the video.